Welcome to another MyTrack training video. In this video we're going to discuss price types. One of the price types is base price. As you see in the RFQ shown below, we have two line items and we have one price type which is a quote price and another which is a custom. There is another price type called base price. When I go to item maintenance, I could specify a default price type for a specific item. And it could be a base price, custom price, customer price, or quote price. Base price really is for those type of products which is like a product line where you would sell the product over and over to certain customers or any customers that wish to buy it, and you have some fixed and standard pricing. So if you actually go to the base price tab in MyTrack item maintenance, you can see where you could enter in your pricing. I have one price here for quantity of 50. Base price is $5. I put a 10% margin. I have my sell price, which is automatically calculated, and then we have our MSRP. I could now put another breakout in. You could have up to 8 breakouts on base pricing, and if somebody orders over 500 items, I could actually say it's a $4.25 part. I could do a 10% margin still, and then I can say my MSRP is still $8. So here you could put up to 8 price breakouts. Now when you're doing your RFQ, the system will grab the price that matches your quantity. So I'm just going to save that price type and item. I'm going to go in and actually create an RFQ line item for this part number 1334100. So I do that by clicking the Add Item button. And here I could actually search for the item that I wish to do a RFQ line item for. If the item doesn't exist, you could always hit the plus button to add a new item. But I'm selecting an existing one. And the screen comes up defaulting with some of the information from the item. Now down below you hit the plus button to add out the quantities. So if I'm quoting 250, or I'm quoting 1000, or I'm quoting 25, when I hit OK, you will see the price gets adjusted for every item. You could double click on columns to sort them. I'm hitting save, and you could see how the price changed per quantity. So quantity of 25 used the $5. 250 used the 5. But once I went over 250 with the base price, it used the 425, which ended up being the price of 4.7222, and you have your extended price. Again, you could always click the primary price, and that price is the one that is shown on the main screen of the RFQ, and for any reporting which you want to see a potential forecast. That is base pricing. Party pricing is very similar, except party pricing lets you put the price in per specific customer. And this would happen if you have some large distributors or some other customers that you provide discounts for. So you could have a base pricing for everybody, and then you could have exceptions on the customer level, at the customer level. So on a part, I could actually hit base price, which you've seen before, and then I could actually hit party price, and you could actually have the party prices. Please take a look at the party price video for more information on the party pricing.